For this project, you will need peaches and cream cotton yarn. I recommend peaches and cream because it is totally absorbent. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in each chain across. At the end of the row, you will chain one and turn. For row 1, single crochet in the second chain from the hook. For rows 2 through 4, you will single crochet in each of the stitches across, chaining one and turning at the end of each row. You will have made 15 single crochets. For row 5, make 2 single crochets in the first stitch. Single crochet in each remaining stitch until the last stitch. In the last stitch, you will make 2 single crochets. At the end of the row, you will chain one and turn. For row 6, make 2 single crochets in the first stitch. Single crochet in each remaining stitch until the last stitch. Make 2 single crochets in the last stitch. Single crochets in each of the 19 stitches across. Chain one at the end of the row and turn. Once again, make 2 single crochets in the first stitch and 2 single crochets in the last stitch. Single crochet in each of the 21 stitches across, chaining one at the end of each row and turning. For the first butt cheek, you will single crochet in each of the next 10 stitches, chaining one and turning, leaving the remaining stitches unworked. For row 2, you will single crochet in each of the first 8 stitches. You will then single crochet the last 2 stitches together. At the end of the row, you should have 9 stitches made, and you'll chain one and turn. For row 3, single crochet the first 2 stitches together. Single crochet in each of the next 5 stitches, and then single crochet the last 2 stitches together. You will have made 7 stitches. End off. You can weave in your end or later cut it and just single crochet across the top of it to hide it. For the next cheek, skip 1 stitch in the center and attach the yarn in the next stitch. Chain 1 and single crochet in the same stitch in each of the next 9 stitches. At the end of the row, you will chain 1 and turn, having made 10 stitches. To begin row 2, single crochet the first 2 stitches. Single crochet in each remaining stitch across, chaining 1 at the end of the row and turning. You will have made 9 single crochets. For row 3, single crochet the first 2 stitches together, single crochet in the next 5 stitches, and single crochet the last 2 stitches together. Single crochet evenly around the entire piece. At the end of the row, I like to make an invisible join, but you can join to the first single crochet if you wish with a slip stitch and end off and weave in the end.